Hey there, tax-savvy viewers. Welcome back to another episode where we break down the nitty-gritty of taxes to help you keep more money in your pocket. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: the differences between filing as single and as head of household for the 2025 tax year. If you're single and flying solo, or if you're the main breadwinner for your family, this side-by-side comparison will clear things up in just a couple of minutes. First off, let's start with the single filing status. This is straightforward. It's for unmarried individuals without dependents. In 2025, if you're filing single, your standard deduction is set at around $14,600, and you'll fall into tax brackets that start as low as 10% for the first $11,000 of taxable income. It's simple, but it might not offer as many perks as other statuses. Now, flip the coin to head of household. This status is for unmarried folks who are the primary providers for a household, typically with one or more qualifying dependents, like a child. To qualify, you need to have paid more than half of the household expenses and have a qualifying dependent living with you for at least half the year. For 2025, the standard deduction jumps to about $22,000. That's a nice boost. Plus, your tax brackets are often more favorable, meaning you could pay less tax on the same income compared to filing single. Let's do a quick side-by-side. On eligibility, single requires no dependents, while head of household needs at least one and proof of being the main householder. For deductions, head of household gets a higher standard deduction, which can lead to bigger tax savings. And when it comes to tax brackets, head of household generally has wider ranges in the lower brackets, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands. Remember, tax laws can change, so always double-check with the latest IRS guidelines. Filing as head of household could mean lower taxes if you qualify, but getting it wrong might trigger an audit. If you're unsure, consult a tax professional. They're worth every penny. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tax tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.